Imagine whipping up golden, crispy fries or a succulent roast in minutes, all while keeping your kitchen clutter-free and your meals healthy. Sounds like a dream, right? Enter this Deime Air Fryer 3-quart, a small but mighty appliance that's redefining quick, guilt-free cooking for solo diners, couples, or small households. This compact air fryer isn't just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade for anyone craving delicious meals without the hassle. Let's dive into why this mini marvel deserves a spot on your countertop. Why the Deime 3-quart air fryer stands out. Air fryers have taken kitchens by storm, but not all are created equal. The Deime Air Fryer 3-quart combines sleek design, user-friendly features, and powerful performance to deliver restaurant-quality results at home. Whether you're a busy professional, a college student, or someone looking to cut down on oil without sacrificing flavor, this air fryer checks all the boxes. Its compact size, quiet operation, and versatile cooking options make it a game-changer for small spaces and big appetites alike. Here's why it's stealing hearts and taste buds. Space-saving superstar. At just the right size for 1 to 2 people, its square basket maximizes capacity while keeping the footprint tiny, perfect for cozy apartments or crowded countertops. Healthy cooking. Made simple. Using up to 90% less oil, it delivers crispy, tender results that rival deep-fried favorites without the guilt. Lightning-fast meals. With little to no preheating, you can go from frozen to fabulous in minutes, making weeknight dinners a breeze. Whisper-quiet operation. Unlike clunky appliances, this air fryer hums along discreetly, letting you cook without waking the neighbors. Effortless cleanup. The BPA-free non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring. A closer. Look at the magic. The Deime Air Fryer isn't just about frying, it's a multitasking maestro. With functions to bake, reheat, and roast, it's like having a mini oven that fits in your cabinet. The digital touchscreen is intuitive, letting you tweak time and temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with a tap. Whether you're crisping up chicken wings, reheating last night's pizza, or baking a small batch of cookies, this air fryer delivers consistent, mouth-watering results. Its top-down airflow technology ensures every bite is perfectly cooked with a golden crunch outside and juicy tenderness inside. Plus, the 3-quart capacity is just right for whipping up a quick meal for 1 or 2 without wasting energy on oversized appliances. Who's it for? This air fryer is a match made in heaven for small households, ideal for singles, couples, or roommates who want tasty meals without leftovers piling up. Health-conscious foodies. If you're cutting back on oil but still crave crispy textures, this is your ticket to guilt-free indulgence. Busy bees, no time to cook? The Deime's speed and simplicity make it a lifesaver for hectic schedules. Apartment dwellers. Its compact, sleek design fits even the tiniest kitchens without sacrificing performance. Real-world wins. Picture this. It's a hectic Wednesday evening and you're starving. Instead of ordering takeout, you toss frozen mozzarella sticks into the Deime Air Fryer. In under 10 minutes, they're crispy, gooey, and ready to dip. No greasy mess or calorie overload. Or maybe you're hosting a friend for dinner. Pop in a couple of salmon fillets, set the timer, and serve up a restaurant-worthy meal without breaking a sweat. The Deime makes these moments effortless, turning everyday cooking into something special. Users rave about its quiet operation, a rarity among air fryers. One reviewer noted, "I can cook late at night without disturbing my roommate, and the food still tastes amazing." Another loved the cleanup. "I just pop the basket in the dishwasher and I'm done. It's a total time saver." A few things to keep in mind. No product is perfect, and the Deime Air Fryer has a couple of quirks. The 3-quart size is fantastic for small portions, but might feel limiting if you're cooking for a crowd. Also, While the digital controls are easy to use, there's no shake reminder, so you'll need to set a timer to flip your food for even crisping. These are minor trade-offs for an appliance that delivers so much value in such a small package. Why now's the time to buy? In a world where convenience and health are top priorities, the Deime Air Fryer 3-quart shines as a practical, budget-friendly solution. It's not just about cooking, it's about reclaiming time, enjoying better-for-you meals, and keeping your kitchen stress-free. With its sleek black finish, it's as stylish as it is functional, blending seamlessly into any decor. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.